Karnataka's capital city Bengaluru saw heavy flooding overnight as the lake there overflowed, inundating the lake surrounding areas as well. Several roads in North Bengaluru have left heavily waterlogged as a result of last night's downpour. Bengaluru's neighborhood areas also being majorly impacted by this. Several roads are waterlogged after overnight rains in the city.
Yesterday there was a very heavy rain, 138 mm in a matter of 2 to 3 hours. That has led to a lot of water inflow into Yelahanka lake, and which is to find way to go to the other lakes downstream. So the water is stagnated here. It is coming down. We hope it will be solved in a few hours. We require at least 30 to 40 feet wide drain to also drain off the water.
People stranded in this apartment are being evacuated by tractors and boats. You can see here boats are being used to ferry them from one place to the other, as plenty of water is almost everywhere. Most of the cars have some submerged. This is what we have been told is a lake bed, and adjacent to this apartment on the other side is the lake, and this apartment has been built here on the lake bed, what we have been told, and that is why water is almost everywhere. Several people got stranded there. So many flats, so many floors are there, and rescue teams from fire and emergency services as well as the state disaster management, they are all here. They are taking people out from the apartment, and also some rescue teams, doctors are also being sent from here to the apartment through these boats and the tractors. As you can see, several people are there. These people are taking medicine for those who are there in the apartment, and they need it urgently. Efforts are being made to pump out water from here. Several pumps have been put into service. With camera person Kumar, Nehal Khidwai for NDTV.